Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about Midjourney. So in this video, we are going to be talking about style tuning. So Style Tuner will show us a range of images, all from our starting prompt that we have created, which sort of replaces that Midjourney basic prompt. So it will help us generate lots of images quickly, all using that same sort of style template that we are wanting to create. So let's jump into it. So normally we do /imagine, and this time we are going to do /tune. Here we go. And then what we are going to do is we are going to put in our prompt. So I have created this prompt. I got some ideas from the YouTube channel Metrics Mule. Thank you so much for that. They did a brilliant video. And so what we're going to do then is we are then going to press enter, and let's see what comes up. Okay, so this box now pops up. So 32 style directions. So that means Midjourney will create 32 variations for us, which is sort of too, I don't think we need that many. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press 16, and that also helps us use less credits as well. I'm going to leave it as default mode, and then I'm going to press the green submit button. Are you sure this is what it will cost us with our credits? So I'm going to press yes. And there we go. We have submitted that request into Midjourney, and it is now being processed. Perfect. Okay, amazing. So Midjourney has done that request for us. And as you can see, we can click on this link and it will take us to our generated images. So here we go. If we scroll down, we can see we have got all these amazing images, really different styles, really cute. Cool, we got some creepy princesses there. You can see that they're all of the similar style. So, got the blue here, the blue eyes, and everything. Then you've got obviously a real subtle version here. They're all the same. So this is just an amazing way of getting to create lots of images with that same style. It just will help speed things up for us, and it's amazing. So what you need to do is click on the pictures that you most like. So I'm going to go with quadrant 1. And if for whatever reason you then changed your mind and you would like to then go to quadrant down here, say, you can see that quadrant 1 is still highlighted. What you need to do is click this grey box in the middle, and then you will see that quadrant 2 is the only one that is highlighted. So I don't want quadrant 2, so I'm going to click this grey box, and then I'm going to go for quadrant 1. And then you can see at the bottom, this has popped up for us, and at the end we have now got a code. So we'll be using this code going forward to create the same sort of image. So if we press the copy button, amazing, then what we're going to do is we are going to go back to Midjourney, and let's put this in. So what we're going to do is / we are now going to go back to the normal prompt that we use, /imagine, and then we are going to pop in that prompt that we've created, and then let's also do a couple of different variations. Let's do this. Let's change it to a cute Disney prince, and what about let's do something else. What about a cute Disney dragon? And let's see what Midjourney comes up with. Amazing. So let's see what we've got. So our cute Disney princess. Oh, they look amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. I am loving quadrant 2 and 3. They look so beautiful. And then let's go down to our prince. Let's see what we've got. See, they look amazing as well, all with the same style, which is exactly what we're after, the whole point of the style tuning parameter. And then let's see the dragon that we did. Oh, very, very cute. They look amazing. So cute. Amazing. So I really hope that this has helped helped to explain this style tuning parameter for you on Midjourney. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel so much, and we really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.